These are the craziest projects that China built. Have you ever heard of the world's largest building, an underwater hotel, or a glass bridge that's made of 99 panels of 3D printed glass? These are just some of the craziest projects that the Chinese have built, pushing the boundaries of engineering and design. From the world's longest sea bridge to the world's biggest radio telescope, the Chinese have been creating some truly impressive feats of design and engineering. Come with us, and today in the next few minutes, we'll explore the top 5 incredible projects that China has built. Number 5 is the world's most enormous building by floor area, New Century Global Center. On July 1, 2013, New Century Global Center opened, making it the largest mall in the world and one of the largest covered surfaces in China. The new structure is shockingly larger than the previous record holder by 500,000 square meters. Terminal 3 at Dubai International Airport. It's also 20 times the size of the world-famous Sydney Opera House, 4 times the size of the Vatican City, 3 times the size of the Pentagon, and 18 times the size of the gigantic Google HQ in London. This architectural marvel consists of a lobby, hotel, water park at the building's center, and 18 stories of offices. Blue-tone mirror crystals measuring 100 meters in height, 500 meters in length, 400 meters in width, and covering a total area of 1.7 million square meters enclose an entire seaside resort complete with an artificial beach, an IMAX theater with 14 screens, an Olympic track ice, 2 5-star hotels, shopping malls, cultural attractions, and a recreation of the peoples of the Mediterranean. This location is bordered by numerous workplaces. At number 4, we've got the world's highest bridge, the Sidu River Bridge. China's often topped its own records for the tallest bridge in the world, but the current champion is the Sidu River Bridge, which spans over 1,600 feet over a canyon floor and connects what are essentially 2 mountaintops. The Sidu River Bridge, which crosses the namesake river in Papua New Guinea, opened in 2009 and is higher than the previous record holder, the Hagegio Gorge Pipeline Bridge, by more than 150 feet. As part of China's ever-expanding network of highways, the Sidu Bridge linked 2 regions that had been geographically and linguistically isolated due to the country's rugged hilly landscape and numerous rivers. Each end of the road is supported by one of 2 enormous 8-shaped towers. For such a vast span, the suspension lines sag in the middle before rising again. This is not to suggest that the bridge is unsafe. On the contrary, the massive quantities of steel and concrete used to construct it should be able to support many times the number of cars expected to traverse it. Now at number 3, we've got the China HSR network, which is the longest or can said to be the largest high-speed rail network. Between Beijing and Tianjin, China's first high-speed railway opened in 2008. Since then, the country's created a roughly 40,000 kilometers that is around the 25,000-mile network that's now the world's largest for bullet trains that can travel at speeds of up to 350 kilometers an hour, which is about 220 miles per hour. The network's expanding with ambitions to expand it to 50,000 kilometers by 2025 and 200,000 kilometers by 2035. China's objective is to make high-speed rail the preferred form of domestic long-distance transport, but these new lines have far-reaching implications. They are a symbol of the country's economic might, rapid modernization, growing technological prowess, and increasing affluence, much like Japan's Shinkansen were in the 1960s. High-speed rail is also a potent instrument for social cohesiveness, political influence, and the merger of diverse regions with distinct cultures into the mainstream for China's ruling Communist Party and its leader, Xi Jinping. The second position is given to the world's longest bridge, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is a viaduct on the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway that connects Shanghai and Nanjing in Jiangsu province. It's 102.4 miles long. It's the world's longest bridge, having opened in June 2011 at a cost of approximately $8.5 billion. Its average height is 100 meters, and it runs nearly parallel to the Yangtze River, passing through rice paddies and other wetlands. And first on our list is given to the world's largest power station by capacity, the Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam is by far the largest hydropower facility in the world, with the highest overall installed capacity. It has 32 main generators, each of which has a capacity of 700 megawatts, and 2 plant-powered generators, each of which has a capacity of 50 megawatts, for a total capacity of 22,500 megawatts. The yearly power supply is expected to be 88.2 billion kilowatt hours. It's become the backbone supplier of electricity for around 70% of the Chinese population. The achievement has dispelled some Western media's long-held misgivings about the dam, which was portrayed as a threat to the environment and a teacup for a large tub of water. These are the 5 craziest mega projects that China's built. We hope you liked our video. Please let us know in the comments section which project you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.